shloka. We have to see meaning from shloka number 157. So here Ambal and Parameshwara are sitting on the Bindusthanam of Sri Chakram. Ambal and Parameshwara are sitting, and here the Acharya is describing the Parameshwara first. So previously we saw, in shloka number 154, from shloka number 154, Parameshwara's features are being described. So even in shloka number 156 as well, Parameshwara is being described. 156, 157 and all. Manimaya Kundala Pushyan Marichi Kallola Mamsala Kapolam Vidruma Sahodharadara Visrumara Smita Kishora Sancharam. Manimaya Kundala Pushyan அப்படிங்கிறார். Manimaya Kundala. Parameshwara, that Kameshwara here, Parameshwara's name is Kameshwara. Kameshwara is wearing a nice kundala. Today it is an auspicious day. Today is Arudra Darasanam. Very, 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 very auspicious for Parameshwara. Somavaram as well. We are very, very fortunate to to meditate upon, to think about Parameshwara's attributes today. These are all Dhyana shlokas of Parameshwara. So all we have to do is just close our eyes and then enjoy the description. Manimaya Kundala Pushyan. Parameshwara is wearing a nice Karna Kundala in on his ears. And what does that do? Marichi Kallola Mamsala Kapolam. Parameshwara's cheeks are so shiny. The light from the kundalam is being reflected on his cheeks. Parameshwara's cheeks are so shiny. The light, the light that is being scattered with the kundalam. Normally, if we wear a diamond kundalam and all, it is going to reflect the light, right? So that light in turn gets reflected from Parameshwara's cheeks. Manimaya Kundala Pushyan Marichi Kallola Mamsala Kapolam Vidruma Sahodharadhara Visrumara Smita Kishora Sancharam. இது வந்து திருநாவுக்கரசர் பாடுற குனித்த புருவமும் கொவ்வை செவ்வாயில் குமிழ் சிரிப்பும் பனித்த சடையும் பவளம் போல் மேனியின் பால் வெந்நீரும் இனித்தமுடைய எடுத்த பொற்பாதமும் காணப்பெற்றால் மணித்த பிறவையும் வேண்டுவதே இம்மாநிலத்தே அப்படின்னு திருநாவுக்கரசர் பாடுறார் இல்லையா. குனித்த புருவமும் கொவ்வை செவ்வாயில் குமிழ் சிறப்பும் பனித்த சடையும் பவளம் போல் மேனியில் பால் வெந்நீரும். அந்த கொவ்வை செவ்வாய் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இங்க சொல்றார். வித்ரும சகோதராதர, பவளம் மாதிரி இருக்கான். Parameshwara's lips are so red. So vidruma means பவளம், கோரல். கோரல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல, பவளம் கோரல். Parameshwara's lips are so red. வித்ரும சகோதராதர, அதராதர, அதரம் அப்படின்னா லிப்ஸ், அதரம். Parameshwara's lips are so red. குனித்த புருவமும் கொவ்வை செவ்வாயில், கொவ்வை செவ்வாய், செவ்வாய் கொவ்வையா இருக்கான், கோவை பழம் போல சிவந்திருக்கிறதாம் பரமேஸ்வரனுடைய வாய். சொல்றார் விஸ்ருக்வர ஸ்மித கிஷோர சஞ்சாரம். On that lips, Parameshwara is wearing a nice smile. அங்கதான் சொல்றார் கொவ்வை செவ்வாயில் குமிழ் சிரிப்பும் அப்படிங்கிற அந்த சிரிப்பு வந்து எப்படி, இப்போ if you are wearing a ருத்ராட்சம், you will put a குமிழ். குமிழ்னா என்ன சொல்றது, like the two golden piece or silver piece that will be surrounding a ருத்ராட்சம். Parameshwara is wearing that, his smile, Parameshwara is wearing his smile like a kumil, what we used to wear for Rudraksham. That is what there Tirunavukarasar says. Here Durvasa Maharishi says Vidrama Sahodaradara Visrumara Smita Kishora Sancharam. Parameshwara's lips are so red as nice coral. and he is also wearing a nice mandahasam, a nice smile, says Durvasacharya for Kameshwara. And then it doesn't end here. Next shloka, Amoda Kusuma Shekharam, Anila Brulata Yugamanogyam, Viti Saurabha Vichi, Dvigunita Vaktraravinda Saurabhyam. Parameshwara Amodi Kusuma Shekharam. Shekhara, Chandra Shekhara, the one who wears Chandra is called as Chandra Shekhara. Inge Kusuma Shekharam solliruku. Kusuma means flowers. Parameshwara is wearing a lot of flowers on his head. You know, whatever puja that we do, Parameshwara takes those flowers and he puts it on his head. Mahaperiva solra Deivathin Kuralla, when he was trying to explain one other incident, he says, normally when we do puja or when we do archanai, we don't put a flower on Shiva's head. We will only put, when we do archanai, we don't put it on his head. We will only put it on his feet. Parameshwara takes that flowers, and because these flowers have been offered by his bhakta, normally what do? If we take if we get a very auspicious, a very important thing, we try to keep it on top of our head. Because out of the respect that we give for the paduka, we keep that paduka on top of our head, right? In the same way, because those flowers have been offered by his bhakta, Parameshwara takes that flowers and he himself puts the flowers on top of his head. Mahaperiva says in Deivathin Kural. The story goes like this. Why he says that, it is also a very interesting story. We all know that Ramanuja's Sishya, there is a Sishya for Ramanuja called as Kuratalvar. Kuratalvar, he is a very great intellectual. If we see in Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, Kuratalvar's intellect is at par with Ramanujacharya, they say. And he is also a very great Sishya of Ramanujacharya. And at that time of Ramanujacharya, the king, the local king, he was a Shaiva fanatic. He does not accept Vishnu. He will only say, okay, Shiva is big, Shiva is big. So he wanted to arrest Ramanuja. And then he wanted Ramanuja to sign a document that says, Shiva Parataram Nasti. Shivat Parataram Nasti. That's what he wanted to sign. That's what he wanted Ramanuja to sign. Our Shruti says, Shivascha Hridayam Vishnuhu, Vishnuscha Hridayam Shivaha. But I know Parameshwara is Mahavishnu's Hridayam, and Mahavishnu is always present in Parameshwara's Hridayam. There is no Beda between those two. But all of these Bedas that we create, and then we continue all those Beda Buddhi, right? So this king, Kirimikanda Sodan, because of his ignorance, he said he wanted Ramanuja to sign a volai, and the call the vola dana vachirpa. The sign a volai that says Shivat Parataram Nasti. And these people knew, Ramanuja and Kuratalvar, they knew that the king is coming to arrest Ramanuja. So what Kuratalvar did was, Kuratalvar sent Ramanuja away. அப்பதான் அவர் இந்த மேல்கோட்டைக்கு போறதெல்லாம் கர்நாடகாவை நோக்கி அப்படிதான் போவார். அப்பதான் போறார் ராமானுஜர். So and Kuratalvar, even though he was a grihastha, he wore kashayam, and then he was impersonating Ramanuja. So that, when the king's servants, they come, they are going to arrest the Kuratalvar, and Ramanuja has safely escaped. So all the servants of the kings came, and then Kuratalvar, because he is impersonating Ramanuja, he saw that volai, patar, Shivat Parataram Nasti. There is nothing higher to Parameshwara, said that volai, said that document. And what this Kuratalvar did was, Asti Dronaha Atahparam அப்படின்னு எழுதிட்டார். அந்த காலத்துல ஏன்னா அந்த சிவா அப்படிங்கிற சப்தத்துக்கு நிறைய அர்த்தம் இருக்கு. Shiva, it is also a measuring cup. Say Shiva abdina 1 cup nu vechukongone, half a cup abdina Shiva, 1 cup na Dronam. And the Shiva oda Dronam gardu perusu. The measurement to Drona, it is bigger than Shiva. It is a very legal, I mean, it is a very, well-known measurement cups. If we half cup, 1 cup, vazhakkallam solrom illaya. And the mari Shivam, Dronam gardalla, it is those days, measurement cups in those days. And what did Kurathazhvar wrote was, no, because in the Volai, it is written that there is nothing higher than Shiva. So there is nothing bigger than Shiva. So he wrote, no, Dronam is bigger than Shiva. Kurathazhvar wrote, and the king got angry and then he punished Kurathazhvar. All those things are different story. Mahaperiyava says, a man as big as Kurathazhvar. This is where we need to see the greatness of Mahaperiyava. He writes in Devathin Kural, a man as intellectual as Kurathazhvar will never try to belittle Parameshwara, says Mahaperiyava. He says, whatever Kurathazhvar said was right. In what way? Mahaperiyava says, Dronaha also means a small flower. நம்ம இந்த ரோட்டோரமா சின்னதா சங்கு மாதிரி இருக்கும், தும்பப்பூ அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, தும்பை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஒயிட் கலர், ஸ்மால் வெரி வெரி ஸ்மால் flowers. That flower is called as Dronaha in Sanskritam. And Parameshwara, he takes the Drona, whatever the Drona, Patram Pushpam Palam Toyam Yome Bhaktya Prayachati, says Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, right? Whenever the devotee gives, whatever the devotee gives with full bhakti, Bhagavan takes it. He only sees bhakti. He does not see the quality or quantity of the material that you give. He only sees the quality and quantity of the bhakti with which you give the material. So Mahaperiyava says, Parameshwara takes that small tumbapu, small drona, and then because it is being offered with bhakti, he takes it and he literally puts it on top of his head. Thereby, Drona, the flower, is on top of Parameshwara. That is what Kurathazhvar meant to say, says Mahaperiyava and Devathin Kural. I'm telling all these things because Amodi Kusuma Shekharam, whatever the flowers that the devotees offer, Parameshwara takes and puts it on top of his head. It is not for his pleasure, it is for our pleasure. Parameshwara is being bedecked with lot of flowers. Anila Brulata Yuga Manogyam. And Parameshwara, Anila Brulata Yuga Manogyam. Parameshwara's eyebrows. Bru means eyebrow. In the brungra varthail and bro abdingra English varte vandirukku. Bru means eyebrow. Parameshwara's eyebrows are so nice. Kunitta Puruvamum. Again, we come back to Tirunavukarasar. Kunitta Puruvamum Kovai Chevvailgrarono and the Mari Romba Araga Puruma Parameshwararku. Anila Brulata Yuga Manogyam. It just attracts all the people's heart. Viti Saurabha Vichi Dvigunita Vaktraravinda Saurabhyam. Parameshwara is having a nice Karpura Vitika on his mouth. Viti Saurabha Vichi Dvigunita Vaktraravinda Saurabhyam. Parameshwara's face itself, it is as bright as a lotus flower. Vaktra Aravinda. Aravinda means lotus flower. Parameshwara's face is as beautiful as lotus flower. If there is a flower, then there has to be a smell. Then there has to be a fragrance attached to the flower, right? The fragrance that comes out of Parameshwara's lotus face is Viti, Karpura Vitika Moda. Abdinu Padikaram, Lalita Sahasranamala. Parameshwara is also having that Karpura Vitika, Tambula Charpanam. And what does Parameshwara has in his hands? Pashangushek Chapa, Prasavas Purita Komala Karabjam, Kashmira Pankila Angam, Kamesham Manasi Kurumahe Satatam. Here, Kameshwara, he also has the same Ayuda as Ambal. Pashankusham Mano Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya Krodhakarankushojvala Rupekshu Kodanda Panjatanmatra Sayika. These are the 4 Ayudas of Ambal, right? Parameshwara also says Pasha, Ankusha, Ikshu, Chapa. Pasham, Ankusham, we all know. Pashankusham. Ikshu means karumbu. Ikshu means sugarcane. He is having a sugarcane bow. And the chapam, he is having flower arrows, floral arrows. Pasankushekshu chapa. Prasavaspurita komala karabjam. He is having all these things in his hand. Kashmira pankilangam. Kamesham banasi kurumahe satatam. Parameshwara's body is so red. Again, come back to Kunitha Purvamum, Kovai Chevayil Kumil Sirupum, Panitha Sadayum, Pavalam Pol Menil, Palvenirum, says Tirunavakar, sir, right? Pavalam Pol Meni, Parameshwara's body, it is nice red, coral red in color, says Tirunavakar, sir. Same here, Acharya says, Durvasa Acharya says, Kashmira Pankilangam, nice Kungumapu, the Kungumapu, evlo safe color larukum. And the Madri Parameshwara's body is nice red in color. And here it is what the prarthana to that Kameshwara. What is that prarthana? Manasi kurmahe satatam. Let that Parameshwara be always present in my mind. Hridaye Shivastishtatu. When we do Mahanyasam and Lagunyasam, we say Prajarane Brahma Tishtatu, Padayor Vishnustishtatu. Let Mahavishnu be in my Pada, Hastayor Harastishtatu, Bahur Indrastishtatu. Let Indra be in my Bahu, let Agni be in my stomach. We say all those prayers. What is for Hridaya? Hridaye Shivastishtatu. Let Parameshwara be in my Hridaya. Why? Because only if Parameshwara is in my Hridaya, then all of my sankalpam will be good. Because Shiva also means Mangalam. Shiva means Mangalam. Shiva means auspiciousness. Whatever we decide with our heart. We decide with our mind, right? If Parameshwara is ever present in my mind, Manasi kurmahe satatam. If Parameshwara is ever present in my mind, then whatever decision I make, it is going to be auspicious. Shivasankalpamnu oru sooktame irukku. Ye nedam bhutam bhuvanam bhavishyat parigrihita mamrute na sarvam yena yajnastrayate saptaho tatan mana shivasankalpamastu yena karmani pracharanti dhirayato vacha manasacharuyanti yat sammitamanu sanyanti praninastan mana shivasankalpamastu yena karma anyapaso manishino yajne kranvanti vidateshu dhiraah yada purvam yakshavantah prajanam tanme mana shivasankalpamastu. Me manaha shivasankalpam astu. It is the prayer. Let my mind have auspicious sankalpa. If our sankalpa is auspicious, then it is half done. Whatever the sankalpa, if we have auspicious sankalpa, then consider that job as half done. Abdinu irukradunala Parameshwara Kamesham Banasi Kurmahe Satatam. Let Parameshwara be in my mind. Let Kameshwara be in my mind. And by extension, whatever the thing that comes out of my mind, be very auspicious. I will finish with this because from shloka number 160, Ambal's description starts. If we start Ambal description, then we will run out of time. Today being Arudra Darsanam, let us make it all about Parameshwara. Let us go to bed. For people in the US, it will be night time. Let us go to bed with Parameshwara Smaranam. Next week, we will see from shloka number 160. Hara 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 Namah Parvati Pataye Hara Hara Mahadeva. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।